Well, it was certainly an incredible night for all of us Pats fans, the greatest Super Bowl comeback ever. We're talking, of course, about Super Bowl 51, but along with the celebrations came an investigation. Tom Brady's jersey disappeared, a brazen post-game theft.
The bizarre crime is now the subject of a documentary. Boston 25 sports director Tom Lydon is live for us tonight from the Revere Hotel in Boston for the premiere of the Great Brady Heist. Tom?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing this because we were obviously on the field in Houston when all this unfolded, and then the weeks that passed. Anytime something like this happens, you know, it just lends itself to great storytelling. So Fox Sports teamed up with NFL Films and the Religion of Sports, which is the company that Tom Brady works with and worked so closely with Tom versus Time a couple of years ago. And they told the story of everything that happened from when the jersey was stolen out of a bag in his locker until it was recovered by the Houston Police Department, a search that took them across the border into Mexico. Just a short time ago, I caught up with Joe Zucco, who's one of the producers from NFL Films, who talked about how important it was to have Tom Brady's involvement in this project.
It was certainly a huge part of the film, having Tom involved. I mean, his perspective, as you'll see, is a big part of the film, and I think he has a great perspective on it. He realizes that this was an important story and case and investigation, but at the same time, it was a jersey, and it was not the most important thing in the world.
You do have to keep things in perspective. It's a 54-minute documentary. It will air on Boston 25 on Saturday night, February 1st, but it is being premiered tonight right here at the Revere Hotel at 7 o'clock. We'll have much more coming up in sports, but for now, that's the very latest. Reporting live, I'm Tom Lydon, Boston 25 News.
All right, Tom. Yeah, I know a lot of people here in Massachusetts and Boston certainly are going to want to see this film. Can't wait to see it the night before the Super Bowl. Tom, thanks a lot. See you in sports.